10分閉鎖です。早めのご移動お願いします。
Morning, James Bond. Very early morning on Sunday. Very cold too. Pretty good turnout actually. We got a Renault, a nice color. Don't know what model it is. Patrick's E63 wagon with ceramic brakes. Fire upgrade, congratulations. And we're gonna go find the cars. Here we are. We got a drop head with a cloth to cover the interior. Got a DBS and Casino Royal Grey, I think. And a lot of cool things that I probably don't recognize. I wanted one of these DBSs, but good luck finding one, especially in manual. Alpine 110, nice. I think that's Caterham probably. Lotus 211, nice. I think it's based on a lease or something, except it doesn't have a roof or anything, or windows. Kind of has little glass shards for windows. How raw do you want it to be? Yes. Nothing. Let's play spot the difference. Chrome? No chrome. Yellow lights? No yellow lights. Alpina. Alpha. The Volkswagen thing, I think. Speedster in red. Not really sure what that is. Moon eyes. And this is a Lancia. Look at the elephant. These are sick. Look at the box fenders. Lancia Turbo. Ooh. I think there's a lot of these in Japan. He's even got the little model of his car. Sweet. Nero or Naro? That's a pretty color. Wow. It's a Mini. Nice. 2 fuel caps, one on the left and one on the right. Newer Alpina, older Alpinas. Wow. Hey, same color. Well, almost the same. This one's parked outside, this one's parked inside. Apparently these are Mugen wheels. Very expensive. This one has like a roll bar too. Safety first. Ketchup and mustard. Green on green. I love color match wheels. Oh, a dinosaur. A very good morning from Guyana. Check out all these classics. Ferraris, Jaguars. I think that's an Abarth over there. Got the Lotus Esprit. It's a very beautiful blue. It's a Lotus of some sort. I think that's a Ford, I'm pretty sure. 1963 Ford, nice. Another Lotus. A couple of them left already though. Very classy sounding, R32. Oh, police is here. I don't know what that is, but bicycle tires. Body color match wheels is back. Oh, it is an Abarth. The NSX. These are going to be really rare because nobody really bought them. Alpina B4. We got a yellow 996. Sorry, 993. I think that's a Sylvia or something. No, sorry, it's Lancia. Blue 308, right-hand drive. And another silver one in left-hand drive. That's the Move 32 and Hakosuka. Very, very, very nice. Hakosuka, probably from 1972. Wow, DeLorean. Whoa, police bus. What's this? .211 in action. Fire turnout just got here. GT350. You can hear some Lambos or something coming in. Rocket Bunny or a wide body Lexus. That's kind of sick. Look at that wide body. I wonder who made this actually. That's interesting. A Lexus convertible. I heard this is the last car with a cassette player too. I'm pretty sure I have the mini GT version of this car. Advent GT wheels. I think the Pandem Yaris owner is selling wheels. Wide body 400Z. Drift missiles with battle scars. Check that out. Oh, wings. Dark blue, silver wheels, classy spec, but what's baller is the ceramic brakes. But next to it is a CTSV wagon. This is a manual wagon. I think someone I knew from Seattle is actually in the car, but he's somewhere here. That's proper. New GTR. Oh, nice. Wow. That's cleaner than mine. Sick. This thing was ripping on the highway. The Japanese cars, we got the 7-liter Z06, the Esprit, the Porsche design in the 3RS ice gray metallic with the Japanese front end little clip thing over there, and an SF90. It's a Japanese car thing, these little piece. Same with the back too. They like their American cars here. The Corvette, that's sick. American flag on the badge. Supra Silvia 32 GTR with ankle picks. Looks like blue S15 parking. That's a convertible too. It's crazy how no one's looking at this, even though this is probably the rarest car here too. And it's stock. There's a wide body one. This is sick. Look at the roller rig. That's the photo that came out. Another camera on the side. Another camera on the back. Another camera on the side. The monitors are at the front. This guy has 3 cameras. One in the back, 2 in the front. One down there and one over there. Top secret R35. Wow, it's very catching gold. Next to Mines R35. Oh, wow, I didn't notice it's Mines. Graphite blue GT3 and some sort of similar color shade Nismo GTR over here. This is a 2020 model. Still really cool. The new color trend for Nismo. R133 with a carbon hood strut thing. A lot of GTRs here. I think the Kaido Racers are revving out front. Pretty cool. Happy New Year. Looks like a 400R, but is it a 400R? Knowing that it's Daikoku, it's probably a real 400R. Sick. Good spec Storado. Alright, 400R everything, but it's got the V spec sticker, so now I'm questioning. Very bright color. I like the wheels on this. Red H6.
10分閉鎖です。早めのご移動お願いします。閉鎖時
Not really sure what they're saying, but I think they're closing down the parking lot. Rows and rows of GTRs, but I think this is the Halo over here. This might be the CRS car, the Club and Race Spec by Nismo. It's like, I think, $20 million to restore your R34 with Nismo and turn it into like a Club and Race Spec, which includes the whole Z-Tune front end. It's probably all carbon fiber with engine options that you can choose. R35 brake conversion, LMGT4s, and I usually get these, the carbon exposed carbon stickers, or I think they just left that carbon without painting it. This is more like a if you know car. It's got the Nismo seats too. That lip down there, I think this is the real deal because it has like the wood underneath to protect it. It is 6,000 US. That's also 6,000 US. The fender's also 6,000 US for repair. That hood's also 6,000. So the entire front end is about 24,000 US. So it's 20 million yen, not including the car, and you have to wait for your turn for the restoration. So at the end of the day, you'll be paying the same price as the R35 Nismo next to it for this car, but brand new. Because this is R35 Nismo, which is 30 million yen, the 2024 version, because it's got the carbon bumper and everything. And this would be 20 million plus about 10 million for the base car. The owner offered a Ruby Star engine cover. That's pink. And because it's Nismo, you get the Nismo plaque over there, and you get the engine plaque on there. The most understated car in this parking lot. Spoke to the owner, it is a Club and Race Spec. This is the real deal. NSX-R, is it? This is like $500,000, that's sick. Wow. Wait, it is. It is. Very nice. What's crazy is that this R34 costs exactly the same as this 2024 Nismo GTR. That's a crazy lineup. The CRS and the Nismo. It's so classy. Look at the ZR1 up front. No badges, very low key. So cool. This is crazy too. Apparently what they said is there's a lot other places to take photos and talk, so it's just all sarcasm. That's hilarious. In the Century. Wait, do that again. Yo! We don't need privacy lines.
Nope, it is just the sides.
Love the Century. Such a good looking car. Apparently they have to interview you for you to buy one. And the interview is in Japanese. Daikoku has been shut down. But you know what? There's always plan B. And that's where they're going. Yep, more over there. And there's an unmarked somewhere. Oh, right there. ZR1 convertible. Is this manual? No, it's not. Very low key. The 390 on the wall. We saw 3 of these on the ground yesterday, and this one's on the wall. From this angle, you can see the V8 and the push-rod suspension. Super cool. But inside is packed. Holy shit. R32 Group A engine. This is the GT500, the Pennzoil car and the Nismo car that we saw in the museum. Holy crap, look at that. That's crazy. Race car engines, and these are street car engines. This is S2, and that's the R4. Oh, R4, wait, that's new. I want these carbon bits for the car, but maybe we'll do that next when the car's here. This engine belongs in that car. Now that's the workshop area. This is a CRS spec R33 GTR, and Nismo back behind it. And over here, this is a Ryu Z2. I think this might be a prototype. We saw in Australia in purple, and this is a silver one. This car used to be out here, but then now it's in there. That car, I believe, might be a Singapore car. Full restoration, QX1 pearl white. And that's a light and yellow R34. Super rare. Series 1. Even has a carbon fenders. Nice. Super GT class and old Super GT class. Yo, white body. Let's go. Winning is winning. Out here at ASM with my chicken. More chicken. Would you get a Miata or an S2000? That's in pearl white. It's Type S. Wing, hard top. Kind of like the CR, but Japanese version. How many S2000s do we see here? We got 4 here, 5, 6 out back, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And they're mostly all white. That's flat white, that's pearl white. We're inside, and that's number 11, and that's number 12. Number 13 is at the auto show with the Time Attack kit. Known for a wide selection of Recaro seats everywhere. Even here, and you can try them too. Carbon hood, carbon trunk and wing, and carbon dashboard. Wow. So we bought seats, and that's how they pack it. Katsu for a late lunch. Taping the Recaro box for this seat over here. Take the 2 seats for the 996, and we're gonna check it in back to Singapore. It's snug, and now we close it. Oh my god, all the Mickeys. Finally found it. Let's go. Oh my god. 2-car solution. Jesus, F40. An R32 that looks like it's been never driven. That is so freaking clean. Look at the underside. Holy shit, here it is. The AMG 1 in an underground parking lot next to a Nissan and a Yaris. Wow. Wow, this car's crazy in person. Look at the active aero closed. And turbofan wheels. It's crazy. Look at the steering wheel too. all the carbon. Roof scoop, single fin, and the painted Mercedes roof scoop, single fin, E-Performance, painted body, rear clamshell. I think the owners get to buy like a AMG Black Series with the same livery too. That's crazy. That too. 777. So cool. Nappa ducts are huge, jeez. Shibuya in a nutshell. We got the Veilside R7 Tokyo Drift and a bunch of Mario Karts. We pulled up to a meet with Yeep Eats in the 400R. 400R? 400Z, sorry. 400Z, 400Z! That upgrade.
Oh man, that was a huge upgrade.
There's no parking.
Long ass
what's this? Corvette. That's okay. Got my hat. Okay, that is cool as fuck. It's got,
Wait, actually, maybe we should U-turn and find somewhere to park.
Yeah. Who's that?
Who's that? I don't know who that is.
Why are they looking?
Oh.
What? He's got a cage though.
Really?
Yeah, the front cage. Like the front cage.
Should I U-turn? Is this illegal?
No, I did it.
Oh, okay.
Well, I did it after I saw somebody else do it.
Jason did it. I would do it too.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, GR Corolla. The one's better than America.
Ooh!
Renault! Yeah, washing machine. Let's go.
That's a rear-wheel drive one.
Oh shit, okay.
Rear engine, rear-wheel drive.
That's a high-powered washing machine. What's this? Porsche. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. That's the space, yeah. Park with the Porsches. GT3 with these really cool chrome BBS wheels. Wow. You know, as you get older, you start to like chrome more, and that's me. Wow. This Porsche is really cool. Mud flaps. Extendo outside. Roll cage, everything. Sick. Trouble Tokyo. Hi, Andy. Alright, we're in a Porsche rally or convoy, but we are not in a Porsche. But we
I identify as a Porsche today.
Me too.
Porsche.
Hey,
Porsche
let's
Z.
go. Let's go.
Ooh, 812.
Oh, let's see.
Wait, is that 812?
GTS.
Ooh, this is C.
That is sick.
That should
All
be
the
Porsche.
Porsches. Okay, the gauges are cool. I don't know where we are, but big camera. We got 996 next to us.
Don't know if you caught it. You should leave. Oh, there's an R33, that's right.
Oh, that's the wide body one. Tunnel run with this modded. Yeah, with this modded thing. Oh, that NSX sounds really good actually. What the heck?
Oh, fuck.
Nismo Factory.
Alright.
That is so pretty. Macau blue M3 and this really pretty purple M3 wagon. Holy. Super cool color. Wide body? Oh, Liberty walk on the brakes. Sweet. Really good turnout for this little Porsche drive. Got new and old, 996s, Boxers. Got the Nismo GTR there too, 4S. 991.1. We got a chalk GT3 with these really good chrome wheels. Way better lighting over here. Super cool. GT3 Touring. Both of us in chalk. One Touring, one winged. Pegasus. This is a 964 Speedster. I didn't even notice. 993 RS. Really cool. Riviera Blue. Bucket seats. Lots of these in Japan apparently. Really nice. Back end of a Speedster. It's a double bubble. It's so cool. Look at blinkers. Apparently, you need to be approved to get one of these. Moving to the classics. Blue and white GTR. Apparently, Lewis Hamilton drove that for one of the videos.